If you are wondering if we have dual SIM on a Samsung Galaxy S26, then the answer depends on the region. If you live in United States, then your Samsung Galaxy S26 that is purchased in United States is going to have only one physical SIM card slot, and most likely it will just look like this. In my case it says SIM1, but in your case it's going to probably say something like just SIM or something like that. And then you can use only one physical SIM card. But if you live pretty much anywhere else, then you can use two physical SIM cards at the same time. We have dual SIM available for Samsung Galaxy S26. So unfortunately, a disadvantage for users that live in United States. But yeah, of course, instead of using a physical SIM card, you can also use eSIM and it works just fine as well. Unless you live in China, of course. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.